So let us have a look on one more type of question on a mean. Here what is happening, there are two frequencies which are missing and you have to find, that is they have named it as F1 and F2, they can be named as P and Q, and you have to find out the value of P or Q. They have given the total of the frequency, that is sigma F, and they have given the mean, that is 50. So let us understand. Since there are two variables, right from the basics of algebra, we should know that we need two equations. So one equation straight away we have, if we sum up all of these, that will be equal to 120. So 17 plus F1 plus 32 plus F2 plus 19 is equal to 120, isn't it? So let us see 7 into 9 and 9, 18. And then 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5, and so 68 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 120. That means F1 plus F2 is equal to 120 minus 68, so that will be equal to 52. So that's great. We got F1 plus F2 as 52, so we get one variable. Second one, we get the class marks, that is X. We go fast, 10, then this is 30, then this is 50, then this is 70, and this is 90. So if you are fully focused, you can get fx very fast. This will be 170, this will be 30 F1. I put a rectangle so that algebra and arithmetic doesn't mix. This is 50 into 30, that is half of 32, double zeros is 1600. Then 70 F2, and now 19 9, I think so 17 and 10. So sigma, so we get fx column. I'm going a little fast. Now let us calculate 16 plus 70, 1600 plus 1700 is 3310, then 3410 and 3480, 3480 plus 70 F2, and this is 30 F1. So right, this is the sum. So now we know mean is equal to, now we know sigma fx by sigma f is the mean. So we get very fast 3480 plus 70 F2 plus 30 F1 divided by sigma F is 120, that is equal to 50. The mean, isn't it? So it goes this side, so this is 6000, and we are getting 3480 plus 70 F2 plus 30 F1. So I take 10 off from everything. I can take 10 common, so this will be 600. This is 3 F1 plus 7 F2, and this 348 because I have to remove the 0, so minus 348, so that is around 252 if I'm right? Yeah, 252. So 3 F1 plus 7 F2 is equal to 252. Let us check it. 600, 300, then 350, and then okay, got it, 350, so 250 and 2 plus, so 252, that's right. So now I've got 3F2 plus 7, 3F1 plus 7F2 as 252. I've got another equation, so I multiply it by 3 and write it down here, right here. 3F1 plus 3F2 is equal to 52, 3s are, that's 156, right? Then I subtract, minus, this goes off, this is 4F2. And how much am I getting in here? 6, and this is 4, so 14, 9, 96. So F2 is equal to 96 by 4. The 4 2s are 8. 1 4 4. So F2 is 24, and F1 will be then F1 plus F2 is 52. So that means F1 is equal to 52 minus 24. So 12 8. So F1 is equal to 28 and F2 is equal to 24, right? So let us have a look once again. How did we go? Only this part was given. So I got this sum as 120. So I get an equation 17 plus F1 plus 32 plus F2 plus 19 is 120. So 68 plus F1 plus F2 is 120. So F1 plus F2 is 120 minus 68. That is F1 plus F2 is 52. This part. This 3 came later. Now what happens? I also know that mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. So I got fx over here. I total it. We got to go fast. 1700 and 1600 is 3300 and then this 10. So 3310 and 100 from here 3410 plus 70 3480 and then we keep this algebra separately 70f2 plus 30. So this is sigma fx, this is sigma f. So sigma fx by sigma f is equal to the mean, which is over here, it is given 50. So this goes this side, so 6000. Now I take 0 common. That means I take 10 common. So 10 if I take common, then I will have 3, 4, 8, 7, 3 and 1 0 less over here. So 3f1 plus 7f2 and is equal to 600 minus, I will remove the 0. So you can go this way, 10, 3, 4, 8 plus 7f2 plus 3f1 is equal to 6000 and then this 10 cancel out. So you will understand that step. So 3f1 plus 7f2 is 600 minus 348. So 3f1 plus 7f2 is 252. So I multiplied this equation by 3. So method of elimination, that means we go to the first step and we got this. So f2 we got 24, so f1 is 28. Right then. Thanks a lot.